Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 26th of August 2024. US Dow Jones increased 1.14%, settling the day at 41,175.08, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,877.79, raising 1.47%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,983.07 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,612.10. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,912.50, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII bought 1,944.48 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 2,896.02 crore in the last trading session. Adani Group turns to domestic banks for funding needs. India and Australia focused on narrowing differences in key areas of goods, services, digital trade, government procurement and RU at the 10th round of India-Australia SECA. Now talking about global aspects, Asian stocks rise as investors count down to interest rate cuts. China slams US for adding firms to export control list, vows action. WTI rose 0.5% to $75.19 a barrel and Brent rose 0.5% to $79.39 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 100.45. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.58%, down. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices traded on a muted note, reflecting a pause in the global equities rally as investors await Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's address for potential confirmation of a US rate cut in September. The key indices, Sensex and Nifty, ended the session with nominal gains at 81,086.21 and 24,833.75, respectively. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has been trading within a 100-point range, with resistance at 24,870 and support at 24,770. A breakout from this range is likely to trigger momentum. On the downside, a break below 24,770 could lead to a decline toward the 24,600 level. Conversely, a break above 24,870 may drive the index toward the 25,000 level. Currently, the market exhibits a sideways to bullish bias. Nifty Bank is consolidating near the upper bound of its range from the past 2 days but is struggling to gain momentum. Immediate resistance is at 51,100, with a break above potentially leading to 51,500. Support lies at 50,800, and a breach could trigger a drop to 50,400. Overall, market sentiment remains bullish, favoring a buy on dips approach. Stocks on the radar are bullish view, Bajaj Auto, BPCL, HAL, Jubilant FoodWorks, Indigo. Bearish view, Burger Paints, Sun TV, IEX, Petronet, Deepak Nitrite. Our chart of the day is bullish on MCX. Trade of the day MCX, buy at 4,850 to 4,860. Stop 4,748. Target 5,000. Aggressive targets at 4,920. Rationale, bullish momentum. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.